Hey guys, I'm on my walk. Today's day 13. It's Tuesday, I believe the 27th. I'm walking out to my cabin, one of my cabins, which is a little over a mile from my house today. This is my second walk today. I think my first walk was 1.3 miles, and this is going to end up being about one. I'll have to check it when I get there, but I'll let you know. I'm feeling good. I had a little setback yesterday, though. On one of my walks, uh, I didn't see a vine going or a stick or whatever it was going through the grass, and I got my shoe hung up on it. And when I thought my foot was coming, it didn't come, so it gave a little tweak down below my knee. But other than that, I feel good. Walking is not the painful part. I'm struggling now a little bit with my flexion. I'm between 90 and 100. Sometimes I can get a little bit more, but after that little tweak yesterday, I had a lot of problems just getting to 90 this morning, but I was able to do it. It's just a little stiff. It's just a little setback. I think it's going to set me back a day or so. Again, no pain meds needed for this. For me, everybody's journey is different, and I haven't taken Tylenol in a while either. So really all I'm taking right now is my aspirin in the morning, aspirin at night, and my Tylenol. Now I started taking the nerve block pain 3 nights ago, because in the evening time, I get these waves of pain. Let me switch arms here. I get these waves of pain that were very similar to when I had my hips done. Prior to my hips, I used to get sciatica pain, and it would shoot down my leg, literally from my hip all the way down to my toes. And when it left your toes, then you're good for a while. Then another wave would come. So I've been getting them. About 3 nights ago, I was getting them often, and it's kind of makes your legs restless. And I took that the next night, and I only had like 2 of those episodes. I don't think I had maybe 1 or 2 of them last night. But I mean, it's not painful. It just reminds you that there's something going on down there. It's easy to deal with it. But I decided to take that to see what would happen. No ill effects. I felt fine. No constipation from it. Nothing. So I feel good, and we're almost out there. It's February 27th today, guys, and it's 65 degrees here in Michigan. I'm way overdressed. I did bring a lemonade to drink when I get out here. So when I get out here, I'll give you a little shot of what I'm doing. All right, we'll see you. I made it. I'll look at the tracker here in a little bit to see how far we are. But this view's to die for that I have out here. Let me show you this little cabin. I gotta do a little cleanup out here. There's a piano out of the cabin. Little piano. We have the piano there. We have a grill, pizza oven, a stack of antlers. A little sticky. Guess we can't open it. So let's go inside the cabin and see what's happening there. Days post-op, and I'm going down a pretty good hill right here. So I do have a little bit of limp right now, probably. Gives you an idea where you could be at 13 days post-op. Everything is in good shape still. This is why I made the trek out here. I'm going to spend about an hour out here before I decide to walk back. That's the Bigelow Creek. 2.4 miles. Not bad. I'm a little stiff right now. Not sore, but just stiff. So I'm back to the lumber yard. I just want to walk through it. Oh, what a good walk. It felt good. So I walked out to my cabin, 1.2 miles there, over into the tractor, and 2.4 miles total back. Nice sunny day, mid 60s. Look what I'm seeing, guys. Oh, we're back. Take a walk up here. You know, one thing I'll let you know though, every step lets you know there's something there. You're conscious of every step you take. So mentally it gets taxing after a while. But if you have arthritis and you're thinking about this surgery, you already know that. So, all right, we're between the wood piles. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow on day 14. Take care. Moving faster than
I
you
can't
now.
keep up.
Exactly 14 days today, guys. I've been feeling really good. Little sore at times, different kind of sores. You know, the first few days, maybe first 4 or 5 days, it was surgical pain, you know, just from the surgery site. But now it's turning into like muscle pains here and there, spasms here, not necessarily spasms, but just stiff muscles. Like down in my calves are really tight back here. But my swelling, I should have had shorts on for you. I'd show you. Maybe I do. Well, that's all right. But the swelling is very minimal. I went to PT this week, uh, Monday and today. Says I'm doing great. He says I'm way ahead right now. Keep doing what I'm doing. Now, you saw at the beginning of this video, that was yesterday. Beautiful day. I think I got over 10,000 steps and it turned out 10,500 or something like that. A little over 4 miles. Uh-oh, we hear our grandson waking up. So I'll make this quick. But, you know, some of the challenges I'm having now, after a lot of steps like I had yesterday, or even anytime I'm walking a lot, in the evening time I get a lot of pain. Like shooting pain, nothing like injury pain, but like almost like a sciatica pain where it floats down my leg and comes out my toes. That's really the only time I'm in any have any aches and pains or anything like that. I don't have Tylenol. I'm not doing the Tylenol anymore. Uh, really, there's nothing but the aspirins I'm taking and the Celebrex once a day. So I'm looking forward to next couple of days. We're supposed to get some good weather again. Today it's back down into the teens, where yesterday it was 70. And so I think the next 2 days are supposed to be cold, but then I'll be able to get back outside and start kicking butt. Today's Wednesday. Friday, I get my staples out. So I'm looking forward to also seeing what that is. One other thing. I did have a little setback on Monday. After PT, I was feeling pretty good and cocky about myself, and I went for a little walk, and I snagged like a vine or a branch that was into the grass, and I didn't see it. And when I stepped, my right foot was forward, and my left foot didn't come forward like I thought it would do. Snagged my left foot. Tweaked the side of my knee a little bit, and the physical therapist worked through it for me today, and he thinks it's no big deal. Just tweak the muscle a little bit. So I'm happy with that, though. I'm feeling like I can walk with no pain, really. There's very little pain walking any longer. It's just the turning and twisting, and I'm not supposed to be doing any of that yet. And the squats. Obviously, I'm at 90 degrees now. I can get a little bit better than that. I think we're about 100 to 110 probably right now. I'm just enjoying the process. So, any questions? Let me know. Take care. We'll see you after 3 weeks.